Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simran and this is my first YouTube video. So drum rolls please. So I make videos on literally anything and everything. As of now I don't have anything specific in my mind, but whatever content I upload in future, and if you guys like it and would like to recommend me something, so you can do it and I'll surely make a video on that. As you would have noticed by the title itself, this video is about a Kindle. And but first things first. So I have been reading books for about 9 to 10 years now, and it's been a beautiful journey. Every book gives me a different experience, and I can never compare two different books. Okay. And the first book that I read was in class 11th, and which was a romantic novel. And since then I am just hooked. I am obsessed with books, and I can't tell you how much happiness it gives me. And it is like a habit to me now. So this month I had my 24th birthday, and this time I bought myself a Kindle finally. Okay, so this thing is really special to me, and this video is all about, like, I'll unbox it, I'll set up it, and I'll show it to you. So if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching.
So guys, as you can see, I ordered this Kindle from Amazon. So it has come in this cute little plastic packaging on top, and I'm just gonna open it now, tear off the sellotape, and let's see how's this blue box inside. So this blue box looks really nicely packed and done. There isn't even one mark on this box or any scratch. And also guys, I have bought this Kindle for 5800 rupees on Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, and originally the price of this Kindle is 8000 rupees. Now let's tear it off and check what's inside. So there you have the slider to pull out this black jacket, which contains our main product and some of its accessories. Well, first of all, have a look at this jacket. I mean, Amazon's packaging and delivery is top notch. 10 on 10 points for that. Now let's see what we have got there. This is a USB cable to charge your Kindle, but I think you would already have this USB cable at your homes. And this is our main product, guys. This is the Kindle that we were looking for, and this is what I wanted. I mean, this is so cute. No, let's not already open it, and let's see what else do we have. These are, I think, the manuals, but we don't need it as of now, so I'll just keep it aside. Now let's open our Kindle and let's see what it is. So this is how it looks like, guys. I have ordered a white color because I have never owned any gadget of white color before, so I thought of ordering a white color this time. And just look at the size. I mean, it is just weightless and it fits in our palm so well. There you can see the power button and the charging point right below. Now to turn on your Kindle, you have to long press the power button for a few seconds, and as you can see, it will light up. Now this is the home screen of the Kindle that you see here, and it will stay like that for a while, and then we will get an option to choose your language. I will choose English United Kingdom here and continue. Now it will take some time, a few minutes to prepare your device. We'll let it be and let's see what happens next. When this process is done, it will ask me to connect to Wi-Fi. Because this is a Wi-Fi model, it will ask me to connect to a local Wi-Fi network. I'll just put up my password there and we'll just connect to the Wi-Fi first. Once the Kindle is connected to your Wi-Fi, it will ask you whether you want to create a new Amazon account or you will go with existing Amazon account. I will just put up credentials for my existing Amazon account and I'll just continue. For the next step, Kindle will ask you whether I want to use Kindle on my mobile phone or not. And if you say yes, then it will text you a link on your mobile phone to download it. But I'm gonna go with no thanks as of now. The next step it is going to ask you is to pick your favorite genre, and you can pick as many as you want, whatever you like. So here are some I like and I'll just select them. Let's go. These are some of the samples or the ones which you would have read before. They would ask you to rate, and some samples it will ask whether you want to download or not. So this is the home page. This is everything started from the Kindle. There is the bar where you can adjust the lighting, and this is it.
So this was all about my Kindle unboxing and the setup. So if you're also planning to buy a Kindle yourself or thinking about it, then we have 3 variants of Kindle that comes in the market. The first one is the Kindle Basic that I have just shown you and I have bought myself. So the next one is the Kindle Paperwhite. The only difference between a Kindle Basic and a Kindle Paperwhite is that it contains 4 LED lights for the better reading experience at night. And there is the design of the Kindle Paperwhite is a flush kind of a design which does not make any difference, and there is a difference between the pixel density of both the Kindles. But if you have never bought a Kindle before and you are thinking to purchase one, then I would suggest you to go with the Kindle Basic first, because there you wouldn't know the difference at all between both of them. And if you want to see a noticeable difference, then you should compare the Kindle Paperwhite and the Kindle Oasis, which is the third variant that comes in the Kindle. So Kindle Oasis cost around 21,000, which is the most advanced one, and so you can choose accordingly. So you can think about it, you can compare all 3 variants, and you can choose according to your needs and your budget. So by this we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope I was able to solve any queries if you had regarding Kindle. And I would leave all the purchase links in the description box below for your easiness. And if you have any suggestions, any tips, anything for me to improve, or any comments, you can leave it down in the comment box below. I'll surely work on that. And thank you for staying till this long in this video, and I really appreciate. And please like, share and subscribe this video. It would help me to grow a lot, and it would mean so much to me. And also hit the bell icon, please. So yeah, we have this is all about it, and I'll come back with another video very soon. And till then, take care and bye bye. Hello ਭਾਈ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ, ਕੁੜੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਚੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਿੱਤ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ। Hi guys, 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 hi guys.